In this episode, you'll find out how voltage converter housings for trains and public transport vehicles are made. Modern trains, electric buses, trams. What connects them is the advanced power electronics at their core. These electronics would not function without sturdy, meticulously crafted housing and mechanical components. They protect the converters from humidity, dust, vibrations, and high temperatures, while ensuring flawless heat dissipation and the safety of the passengers. In this episode, we'll show you how converter housings are made. Though they may not look special from the outside, in reality, they guarantee the reliability of the entire propulsion system. We visited the facilities of Smart Trading Company in Jawczyce to do just that. The company produces technologically advanced mechanical components for the railway industry. Ready? Let's go. Everything starts at the technological office, which drafts the design and product documentation for each production department. Everything in accordance with the customer's needs. The office utilizes both 2D and 3D technologies. After the technical documentation is delivered, sheet metal is picked up from the warehouse and transferred for cutting with a 4-kilowatt fiber laser. The device can easily handle metal with a thickness of 8 to 10 millimeters. Here, we can see how copper is prepared for chemical treatment. The purpose is to make the surface suitably rough. Now it's time for sheet metal bending machines to shine. Their bending force ranges from 180 to 220 tons. The bent elements are then machined. All CNC machines are computer operated. This line is also where they are turned on CNC lathes and milled on milling machines, including those that are fully automated. At the cold forming shop, the elements are prepared for welding. Things are very busy here, and a lot gets done, including chamfering, drilling, threading, inserting, and crimping the radiators. The welding shop is the heart of the company. 3 methods are used here: TIG, MIG, and laser welding, plus automated welding process with the use of robots. Typically, what's welded here is aluminum for coach and chassis boxes. In a separate zone, carbon steel elements are combined. These become the cabinets in the locomotives. In some cases, stainless steel constructions are welded as well. These turn into sturdy housings put below the vehicle chassis. The company meets the welding requirements of the 15085 standard and is approved in accordance with the Deutsche Bahn standards, which guarantees top-notch quality. After the welding process is completed and the welds are checked, each element undergoes mechanical treatment, and then its surface is chemically prepared through etching and picking for anti-corrosion coating. Another quality check is performed. The paint shop operates in 2 modes: wet painting in an adequately prepared room and powder coating. In the latter case, powder is sprayed on the elements through an electrostatic process, and next, the elements are cured in furnaces at a temperature from 180 to 240 degrees Celsius. During the final assembly, the paint shop safeguards are dismantled. The housings are cleaned and glued. The gaskets and locks are installed. Everything in accordance with the provided documentation. And yet again, a quality check is done here as well. Random samples are sent to the laboratory, where the paint is tested for durability and adhesion. Another process done here is the titration of the bath for chemical surface preparation. All done, the orders can now be shipped. Smart Trading Company has been expanding the reach of its sales throughout Europe since 2007. After all, it believes in always being one step ahead of the needs of the market and the expectations of its customers.